We got a very happy news for Odisha. I should have shot this video, but I can't do it. I'm going to tell this happy news to the Honorable Chief Minister. Let's see what his reaction is. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Babdu.
Sir, a very happy and good news for Odisha.
Tell me.
Sir, we got an intimation from Guinness World Records that our Birsa Munda Stadium is officially announced as the world's largest seated hockey stadium in the world.
That indeed is thrilling news. I'm truly delighted
Yes, sir.
that the Guinness Book of Records has recognized the Birsa Munda Stadium at Rourkela to be the biggest hockey stadium in
In the world. Yes, sir.
I congratulate the people of Odisha and the team that has made this possible.
This was done in 15 months, sir, this entire stadium. And I think it's a proud moment for all of us.
I'm amazed that this has been built in 15 months. It's truly a great accomplishment for the people of Odisha.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And your inspiration made the team Odisha to deliver. Thank you, sir. Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.